Essay on Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day in India is celebrated every year on 5th of September to honor the contributions of the teachers in our study, society, and country. There is a great reason behind celebrating the Teachers' Day on 5th of September. 5th of September is the birth anniversary of a great person named Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was highly devoted towards education and well known as the scholar, diplomat, president of India, and most importantly, a teacher. Once, when he became an Indian president in 1962, some students requested him to allow them to celebrate his birthday on 5th of September. He said that instead on celebrating 5th of September as my birthday personally, why not? It is celebrated as Teachers' Day as my dedication towards the teaching professions. After his statement, 5th of September has been started celebrating as a Teachers' Day all over the India. Happy Teachers' Day.
Thanks for watching.